Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Alliance Paradigm Model 370 FB. So the Alliance Paradigm 370 FB is an awesome full-time fifth wheel that has a huge front bathroom. Right up front, we do start with a beautiful painted fiberglass front tap. And Alliance does use the Kurt Rotoflex pin box here. Underneath here, you can see with that metal insert that it is already prepped for the generator, which means already wired for it as well. And then here's what I love about Alliances. They're 101 wide inch body, and look at this awesome exterior storage. Something else that's phenomenal about Alliance is that they do use Azdel, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on them. And then right there, we do have a huge power awning with LED lights. Also on the slide out, another huge power awning with LED lights. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, we're gonna start back here. We're gonna save the best for last with the rear living room inner area. We have your tri-cushion, tri-fold sofa there, your TV right there with the fireplace, and your theater seats right here. Notice the flush floor slides, no carpet, I love that. Your dinettes right there with a huge kitchen right here. Solid surface countertop, residential style oven, residential style refrigerator with a half bathroom down here on the lower level. Very nice. But what's even nicer is the upstairs. Once we go upstairs, we're automatically entered into the master bedroom. You do have the king size bed, 3 windows all the way around with your storage right here. But again, what makes this unit special is the master bathroom. Look at this. Huge encore shower right here. Nice toilet right there. Look at this walk-in closet, which is fantastic. I love that feature. And you are able to get a stackable washer dryer. And then look at this storage. And you have a great sink, medicine cabinet right here. Well guys, that's it. That was a quick 2-minute tour of the Alliance Paradigm. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is the unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click down in the contact form below and one of our fifth wheel specialists will reach out to you guys and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.